In a world where noise often equates to success, there's a profound beauty in the silence of dedication and the quiet resilience of hard work. We're bombarded daily with images of overnight successes, of fame and fortune seemingly achieved effortlessly. But what about those who toil tirelessly in the shadows, whose stories are not told amidst the clamor of the crowd? They are the ones who believe in the power of silence and the strength of perseverance. They understand that true success isn't about flashy displays or loud declarations. It's about the quiet determination to keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. I remember the days when nobody believed in me, when I had to work odd jobs to make ends meet. But I kept grinding in silence, letting my actions speak for themselves. There were moments when I wanted to give up, when it seemed like success was out of reach. But I chose to trust in the process, to trust in my ability to make a difference. Success doesn't come overnight. It's the culmination of countless hours of hard work, of relentless dedication to a dream. And while the world may not always see the effort that goes into it, the impact of that effort is undeniable. So to those who are grinding in silence, who are putting in the work without seeking validation or applause, remember this: your time will come. Your success will speak volumes, louder than any noise the world can make. Grind in silence, and let your success make the noise. Because in the end, it's not about the applause, it's about the difference you make, one quiet step at a time.